Hello and welcome. Do you have a rattling sound in your BMW engine? This is common issue. This is catalytic converter, and this engine is this BMW's E90 2-liter gasoline engines, and now there is this catalyst heat shield. This welding, it has been went away, and mileage is about little bit more than 100,000 miles. And how we can replace that kind of rattling issue? This is like BMW made in Germany engineering, and this makes bad sound because BMW like 300 series and 500 series, they have to be high quality products. But now there is German engineering faulty, and when we drive in like highway and specific rev amounts, we can hear sound. And what is issue in our great German this highway car in USA? Okay, there is really weldings broken in here, and next I will show that how we can replace that thing. There is two things that we purchase. Firstly, this right side engine mounting, because this is part of the mounting, or then we repair that part using hammer and special tool, and I will show that soon. And there is 1, 2, 3 bolts what we need to take, and this part goes to this right side engine mounting, and there is catalytic converter in that area. Okay, and really this BMW's exhaust manifolds and this engine mounting is heat sealed, what is like broken, and now there is issue that these weldings, they have open in these areas in here, that part, and now I have to install this back, and it happens so that I have to do this, it is now open in this position and also in that position in here, and I have to manage to install this back, and now I take my hammer, and my purpose is to install this dent in up of that hole. We can do a little bit bigger hole in here, but now I try to hammer. Please use protective hearing protectors, because soon we can hit hammering. And I have small light hammer, and now I install that in here, and I carefully okay, it is also that part, it is also broken in here. Okay, I have now like 3 areas to repair. 3 areas to repair. Okay, let's look, can I do that? Okay, now this part goes nice, look. This is purpose that this area goes in their inner, and after that I have to hammer this deeper, this area. Now I have another side, look. And now this dent area is visible, and after that I have to do this dent area like bigger. I hit inside, not in this central area, and after that I start to hit this central area. Okay, now this part is ready, and then I fix this another part in here, that side. This is also I need to hammer, and now I hammer this central area. Okay, and now this part broken. Okay, this was not nice thing. Now that means that this means that if that kind of situation happens, I have to do in here new drill in here and install new dent in here, or then I have to really do screws in here. I have to add in here now screw in that area, really screw, one of two screws, and I take next my drill bite. Okay, now I have in here 3 mm drill bite and Makita drill driver, electric driver, and I do first hole in here, this hole. Now there is first hole, and then I do second hole in here. This is alloy, this is weak material in here. Okay, now there is point, and then I do second point in here. Good. And then I think that I can do in here also one drill hole in here, that area, like in this point. Okay, good. And then I need in these areas, I need small screws, steel screws, and I take those screws next. Okay, and we really need now special steel screws what are suitable for these steel fittings. And now I add this my screw in here and Phillips head screwdriver, and we can find quite soon that what screws goes well. Like in that one, this goes very nicely, and we can look closer how it goes in there deeper. And this good. Now it seems that this part broken. No worry, there are bigger areas. Now I can take my screw away. Because there are two screw holes. Okay, no worry. Now I add in this screw in here, in that area. Okay, it goes nicely. A little bit more. Then I install this back and I rotate this screw in here. It goes. It is now very tight. Look, no any rattling sound. And then I install second similar screw in this back area. Here I have second screw. 2 is minimum amount And now I install that one. Excellent. It goes very well. You can see that it is nicely in there. Okay, good. And now we can see this my final result, and starting point was that this my heat shield was rattling. That one, it rattles. Now there is no any more rattling, and now I have installed in there 2 of these screws, and I can actually do in here couple of another 2 extra screws, but this is now really solid and better than a new one. And now I have made this BMW's heat shield better than in new one. And you might think that why this is better than new BMW's heat shield. The thing is that BMW use very weak alloy rivets, very weak, and they last only like 100,000 miles. But now when I install in here these high quality screws, what last like, I believe that 10 years. Okay, excellent. And look, no any rattling sound anymore. Excellent. And I recommend that I install 1 and 2 screws more in here. Excellent, excellent thing.